Scene one, Apple, take two.
Hello. Today we have this B-2 bomber. Sort of like an airplane, sort of like a quadcopter, flies like neither. And let me tell you something. If you are expecting to take this thing out to the park, forget it. If you're thinking about taking this thing out in the front yard, forget it. Unless it's like dead calm. I'm actually gonna try to fly this thing in the garage. I had to cut the fan off. It looks cool. Let's take a close look. It looks cool, but you would be better off just getting you a flying wing, like a do-it-yourself or something like that. Unless you just really like the look of stealth bombers. And one thing about this thing is it is pretty cool to fly around the house, and that's really just about it. But you're gonna have to cut off like any ceiling fans, or that it won't do it. Okay, well, let's try to take her up for a flight. You got your lights, and that's cool. Let's do a buzz. Oh. Yeah, but you're not gonna get like a lot of flying out of this thing, like at a park or anything like that. Whoa. And for some reason, it just loses altitude on its own. It's like still charged, but it just goes up and down, and any slight wind, you're done. Whoa. Alright, let's try to fly around. Whoa. I'm telling you. It loses its altitude, and then it'll gain. Yeah, so, other than the look, you can forget it, man. Alright, let's try to fly around the garage. Whoa. You'd be lucky if you even trim this thing. Whoa. I'm starting to lose altitude again. Whoop. But it still has a charge on it. So let's try to take it off here. Let's see what happens. Like I said, this thing is like really funky. It was a nice attempt, but they failed. Like that's the yaw rate. Whoa. that was it. Like, it's so wide. I mean, man, as nice as this thing looks, it doesn't really fly too well. Now it's losing altitude again, damn it. But strangely enough, it's still charged. Okay, let's try to take off again. See? It's still charged. It's just, the design on this thing is just really, really bad, in my opinion. Alright, it's losing altitude again, but we're going to go ahead and try to, we're going to try to land her, move this stuff out of the way here. I know I can take off again, so we'll just take off and then land her. We'll try to land her. Oh, and we can't do it. Alright, so we'll pretend. Well, that's it. This thing, it just looks cool. And, that cool lights on it. Other than that, I wouldn't recommend it unless you're just an idiot like me who just likes to collect stuff. But there you have it. The B-2 quadcopter thingy, the X series. Hey, thanks for watching.